This puff pastry dough I'm gonna make for the Wellington recipe, and I already done halfway, and this rest of dough. Gonna keep going. 2 layers. This is one layer of normal dough, and then the second layer of the butter inside this one, and it's cover. Then we're gonna cover and make even. It's a beautiful smooth layer, smoothie, and then keeping going. And I think I need some more butter. Just like a little bit of soft butter. And I'm going to use this one also. It's getting much better dough for us. Yeah, keep rolling, and keep like a full covering. Just the puff pastry you have to make several times. You have to roll in again, and then you have to cover the getting longer, doughs getting even. This will get a more nice pastry. You can make it. And one more time. And after that, we're gonna keep in this one 2 hours in the refrigerator before this making Wellington recipe. That's it.